Hello there and welcome. Are you thinking about becoming a SOC analyst, a cybersecurity defender working in the front lines? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the complete step-by-step roadmap to help you become a successful SOC analyst, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. Part 1. Fundamentals and Skills Development. To become a SOC analyst, you first need a solid foundation in IT and cybersecurity. Start with the basics, learn about networking, including, what is TCP/IP? What are protocols like HTTP, DNS, and FTP? Understand IP addresses, subnets, and how devices talk to each other. Next, get comfortable with operating systems. Study Windows internals, like Event Viewer, Registry, Services, and User Accounts. Learn Linux basics, especially file systems, commands, and logs. Now, move into cybersecurity concepts. What are cyber threats? What is the CIA triad? Confidentiality, integrity, availability. Understand malware, phishing, and common web attacks like SQL injection and XSS. Learn to analyze security alerts and incident triage. You'll need to decide what's a real threat and what's just noise. You'll also need to know how to use SIEM tools like Splunk or IBM QRadar. These tools help you monitor and investigate security logs. And don't forget scripting. Learning PowerShell or Python will help you automate investigations and save time. Part 2. Certifications to build credibility. Certifications help you prove your skills and stand out to employers. Start with entry-level certifications. CompTIA Security teaches the basics of cybersecurity. CompTIA CySA focuses on threat detection and response. Cisco CCNA gives you a solid understanding of networking. Then move to intermediate or advanced certifications. GCIH focuses on handling and responding to incidents. GCIA focuses on intrusion analysis. EC Council Certified SOC Analyst (CSA) designed specifically for SOC roles. These show that you're serious and skilled. Part 3. Career progression in the SOC. Your SOC career will grow in stages. Let's break it down. Junior SOC Analyst, Tier 1. Your job is to monitor security alerts, do initial analysis, and escalate real threats. SOC Analyst, Tier 2. You'll investigate complex incidents, analyze multiple data sources, and help guide junior analysts. Senior SOC Analyst, Tier 3. You'll lead investigations, respond to high-impact threats, and improve processes in the SOC. SOC Manager or Lead. Now you're managing the team, building strategies, and making sure everything runs smoothly. SOC Director. This is leadership. You handle budgets, hiring, SOC strategy, and align security with business goals. Part 4. Specializations and advanced skills. Once you're experienced, you can choose a specialization to take your career to the next level. Threat hunting, proactively searching for threats inside the network. Digital forensics, finding out what happened after an attack. Malware reverse engineering, understanding how malware works. Incident response, coordinating how an organization reacts to cyber attacks. Cyber threats evolve every day, so never stop learning. Subscribe to blogs, attend webinars, and keep your skills sharp. Part 5. Practical learning resources. Theory is good, but practice is key. Here are great resources to build hands-on experience. Let's Defend.io has a full SOC analyst learning path with real-world scenarios and lab exercises. TCM Security offers beginner-friendly courses with a focus on practicality. Try HackMe and Hack the Box, great for learning security hands-on through challenges. YouTube channels like Dean Haycox's SOC Analyst Roadmap or ManageEngine's Career Path series. Reddit communities, like our /IT career questions, are great for advice and support from real professionals. Let's summarize everything. Start with basics, networking, operating systems. Cybersecurity, build hands-on skills, alerts, phishing, incident response, SIEM tools, earn certifications. Start with Security Plus, then move to GCIH, GCIA, or CSA. Climb the SOC ladder. Tier 1 to Tier 3, then into management and leadership. Specialize and keep learning. Threat hunting, forensics, malware analysis. Practice regularly using real-world labs and training platforms. This journey takes time, but if you're consistent, curious, and ready to learn, you can absolutely Become a SOC analyst. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of anonymous geniuses. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay hooded.